Time for those Wednesday birthdays, and we're going to begin in Arma with Mariah Mason celebrating number 12. It says, happy birthday from your mama and Gina and daddy. Love you to the moon and back.
All right, Brinlea Burns is celebrating birthday number 12 this year as well. Brinlea is in St. Paul, Kansas, with love from Grandpa Jim and Grandma Judy and all of your family.
And we've got Lakin Sullivan celebrating birthday number 13 in Frontenac. Happy birthday, Lakin.
All right, that's a great picture there. Julius Courtney celebrating Sweet 16. Julius is in Frontenac. Happy 16th, Juju. Love Mom, Dylan, Kate, and Mia.
And we've got Chloe Black celebrating birthday number 20 in Carthage. Chloe's a senior at MSSU, and it comes with love from her family.
All right, I love that picture there. Kelsey Altman turning 32 years old this year. Happy birthday to Kelsey in Joplin.
And we've got Greg Ray celebrating number 50 in McCune. Happy birthday, Greg.
All right, and Deb Green is celebrating a birthday in Parsons, Kansas. Hope you have a great one.
And we've got Kay Blanchard celebrating birthday number 85. She's on the right. She's got 8 children, 20 grandchildren, 24 great-grandchildren. They're sending a hello to her whole family from her friends and neighbors.
All right. Heather and Andy Peterman. The Petermans are celebrating their 4th anniversary. They're in Columbus. Congratulations to Andy and Heather.
And our list goes on with Victoria Clements in Parsons celebrating a birthday. It says, happy birthday from your friends at Successful Dreams.
Patty DeBuse is celebrating a birthday in Riverton.
And Jason and Melissa Earl celebrating their 21st anniversary in Jasper. Happy anniversary going out to the Earls.
And Iola Linda Town turning 62 years old with love from all of your family.
Now, of course, you folks at home know that we celebrate with you every day of the week, well, at least Monday through Friday, and we want to make sure you can celebrate with us. Tanya, how can they do that?
It's real simple. All you have to do is send us your picture and all the details to this email. Don't forget the S on this one. Birthdays, with an S, birthdays at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out all the really awesome things that it has to offer, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do. You get great deals from local businesses. On top of that, you also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So make sure you take time to sign up for that KOAM Birthday Club today.